If you're watching this video, that means you have mastered the chain in crochet and you're ready to move on to the single crochet. So I am still in chaining mode. As you can see, I've just chained 50 so that I could catch up with you guys because I wanted you to do 50. Do more than that. Practice chain all the time until it comes to you as second nature, okay? So let's take a look here. We have, let's count, we've got the hook still in our chain, okay? So this is the start of a new one, so just ignore that, okay? That's on your hook. So we're going to count 1, 2 sides of the braid. Notice here, there's a braid on one side, there's a chain on the other. Literally, it looks like a chain, okay? The front side is the braid, okay? So if you hear me calling it a braid, that's what I'm talking about. So since we're working with our right hand, we're going to look at the top here, okay? Because that's the natural next place to go on this side. So what we're going to do is work from right to left, and then we're going to turn it and work the other way, right to left, okay? You'll see what I'm talking about. So count 1 space, okay, this braid, 2 space, that braid. Can you see that clearly? 1, 2. You're going to go into the 3rd space. Let me open that for you, okay? So 1, 2, into the 3rd. Got it? So you start with your crochet hook facing towards you, just like if you were doing a chain. You're going to poke the hook right into that hole, and while it's back there, go ahead and wrap that yarn right around it. Do that swivel motion, just a little slight swivel to hook it and pull it through. Suddenly you've got 1, 2 on your chain. So let's do that one more time just to make sure that you see, okay? We've got the hook on, or we've got the yarn around. So 1, 2, we're going to go into the 3rd space, right into that hole from front to back. While you're back there, okay, while you're back there, notice I'm using these fingers to hold it down so you can see. You can do that if it helps you. Wrap from back to front and slightly swivel that hook downward, just that downward motion. Reach over and pull it through the hole. So now you've got 2 up there. All right, you're halfway down. The next step is to wrap again from back to front. It's just a lot of wrapping and pushing through. That's what crochet is. Reach over and grab this, and I say this, grab this right here, okay? Grab your work. Grab that chain 2 that you skipped and pull the hook through both of those loops, okay? Wow, was that fast? Was that hard? Well, we're going to do it again. In fact, we're going to do it again 47 more times, okay? Because 1, 2, 3, so 50 minus 3, right? Okay, so again, we're going to go into the next hole. Well, how do you know where the next hole is? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? The next hole is going to be the braid. This is the hole you just went into, okay? It's much bigger, you can tell. But the one right next to it is this one right there. That's where we're going to go in, okay? So you're going to poke right into the side of that braid. Now be very careful not to poke through the bottom or anything like that. You want to just get that top part of the braid. While you're back there, wrap, pull back through, wrap, pull through 2, and you're done. You've just done 2 single crochets. These 2 chains, remember how we skipped those first 2? That's actually going to count as a single crochet on the end, okay? So let me do it for you again. We'll do it together. You go into the next hole, which is going to be this one right here, okay? Right into the top of that hole. While you're back there, go ahead and wrap around and pull it through. Okay. Notice after I pull it through, I chug it to the middle there because I like to work right there. If you have it way down there, it's going to be a lot harder to work with. So spread it right back onto this middle kind of even space there. Wrap around, pull, swivel down and pull through 1, 2. Let's do a few more. And here's your next project, okay? Wrap, pull through 2. Poke through the hole. While it's back there, wrap. For me, it's one smooth motion. I get in the rhythm of it, okay? While it's back there, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2. Poke through the hole and wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2. Poke through the hole, wrap around, pull through, wrap, pull through 2. One more time slowly, and then I'm going to leave it to you guys to go ahead and finish this row. Poke through that hole, okay? While it's back there, wrap around and pull it back through. Wrap around, pull through 2. All right, then your next project is to finish this entire row. finish this whole row of single crochet, and when you're done with all 49 stitches, because remember those 48 stitches, because those 2 on the end count as 1 stitch. Ugh, math. Come back and watch the video on how to double crochet, because that's up next, okay?